All right, guys, out here shooting. I just posted up Gunnwild1's day at the race target here. I'll show you in a minute here. You can post it at whatever yardage you want to. BB gun like 7 yards, or shoot 25 or 50. He says it doesn't really matter. Use whatever gun you want to. So I'm going to get use one of I know Jeff's favorite guns is Savage Model 62, 64, whatever it is. He's got one he says is his favorite gun of all time. Yeah, CV Life 9 power scope. I'm shooting at 25 yards. I want to use some of Remington Cyclone. I got to get it gone, okay? Another thing that pissed me off about Remington right there. Unless the box is full, you're always losing rounds out the bottom of the box right there. It comes apart right there. And I just happen to know because I have a bunch of guns out here shooting with today, and I swap around bipod. And I put this bipod on backwards. Oh well. So that's my excuse. Let me pause you here and set you up with a spotting scope. Okay, guys, it's you shoot the motorcycle around. You see it from the starting point there, going around track. Then you shoot each one of the checker flags. Then you got a little bonus down there at the bottom left right there. So let's see what we can do here on it. So, okay. I don't know if I hit it or not. Who knows? I was just shooting this another target, so it shouldn't be too far off. I'll blow it up here. Oh no, it's first when I see it drop clean down by the checkered flag. Jeez. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I count 6 clicks there. He needs more. Well, that barrel must really be heat up moving. Okay. Bottom one. Oh, I think I got that one. Okay. Pressure's off. You got the back tire there. And one dropped a little too low. On top of the blue bike. Yeah, I was aiming above and there it goes above his head. I was hoping to drop down. Okay. On the left. And clean over by the flag. Next one. I think, heck, I don't know. I gotta blow that up there. I don't know. Then the finish line one. I have no idea. Okay, let's go with the checker flag on the left. Uh-oh, I'm out. We're going to put in 5 more rounds. Let's see, 4 checker flags in the bonus. I have as much fun shooting these targets with the cheaper gun ammo as I do the expensive guns and match ammo. I think it makes it more fun. I'm not, I know I'm not blowing so much money per shot. Okay, checker flag on the left. Yep. On the right. Nope. Next one to the right. Ooh, I got a little bit of him. I hit that in the pole part, I think. I think. Okay, and that little bonus down the bottom left corner. Oh, so close. So close. Okay, I'm going to count it, but then I was going to shoot there again if I got any rounds left in here. Nope, that's it. So let me move this out of the way. Okay, let's blow this up a little bit and see what I did. Okay, first motorcycle's a miss, second one's a miss, third's a miss, fourth one got that one, the bottom, fourth one, that red one, get the back tire, so that's two. Whoop, 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 whoop. Get back here. Two, miss, miss. Is that one in the handlebars? I think it is. I don't know. No, maybe it ain't. I think that flew out by that flag right there. I think that's a miss, two. I think I got him in a tire. That's three. And I have no idea on that one right there. Three. And missed both those and got one, not both flags, I guess. Three. So five. And we missed a little bonus one right there. So this is a little fun. I see where they're going Gunnwild1 out day at the races. You can shoot it with anything, like I say, right there. But a little one to do, shoot it with anything you want. It'd be a good one for a BB gun too. Right there. Just go hold Gunnwild1. You want a copy of it, and he'll send it to you. And let me know what you think, guys. And we'll talk to you next time.